Stop studying right now. If your goal is to make serious money, just give me 1 minute only. This might change how you see your future. If you're studying right now, thinking that one day you'll land a good job, and that job will help you achieve your dreams. I hate to break it to you, but that's a lie most people never question. Because the truth is, working hard in school, getting a degree, and chasing a job does not guarantee financial freedom anymore, especially if you're not even interested in what you're studying. Now, don't get me wrong, education is important. But if your goal is to make real money, you need something more. Here's the advice nobody gives you. Take the same time you're spending on studying and invest at least 3 to 4 hours daily into building a skill. Learn content creation. Start a YouTube channel. Go faceless. Try animations. Try storytelling. There are people making thousands of dollars online without showing their face, without a degree, just by being consistent. Instead of giving 100% of your time to studying, split it. 50% study, 50% skill plus content creation. And here's the key: consistency. Even if you upload just 1 to 2 videos per week, no matter how many views you get, just don't stop. Because if you stay consistent for 1 to 2 years, your entire life can change. This is not motivation, this is reality. If you don't know what content to start with, just comment start and subscribe. I'll guide you step by step.